G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's October 4th, 2023. This is the nat gas price update. Slight change to the format here. We've got a weekly, a daily, and an hourly. Now we're trading the hourly here, so this is just a suggested way of trading. We look at the major trends on the weekly and the daily before we take that potential direction on the hourly. So for example, here we're looking at a bullish movement on the weekly for nat gas, and you can see here down here the reason for that is we've got this the CCI 150, those moving averages there. The black is the CCI 150 and the pink is the moving average 2 of that period. That's above the moving average and that's showing a bullish movement. So only when that's in a bullish movement like it is there, you take long trades, and when they align with the daily, same principle applies here. You take long trades on the hourly. So back here, for example, you can see there when the CCI breaks above its moving average, the moving average 20 in this case, that's where you take the long trades and you ride the wave until the CCI breaks below the moving average 2 on the hourly. Now, one thing to note as well is, let me just zoom out on, so that's just basically the trend following approach using the weekly and a daily, but we also look at the daily in terms of the big picture. So we're still looking at a support here at 2065 and a resistance at 3024. Now I'm going to move that resistance there to the top of that candle, the wick. That's now, let me just do that again, to that point there. So we've got a resistance now at 3047 along that range there. So what we're looking at here is if it breaks above this resistance substantially, we're looking at a near-term target between the 23 and the 38% level of this Fibonacci range, and that's where I've got that rectangle drawn. So I'll just move that over a bit to more relevant for where we are today. It's about, actually no, it's about there. So we expect to hit in this range if it breaks above this resistance area. So again, it's hitting this resistance and we may see a bit of a downturn. If I look at the hour chart, you can see there it's actually bounced off that. Since our last video, it's actually bounced off this ascending trend line quite nicely, and that would have been an ideal spot to go long in alignment with the trend following strategy I just explained, and you'd probably start taking your profits as soon as it breaks below that. The CCI breaks below its moving average 2 on that point there. That's a little trading tip, if you like, in terms of how to trade these in the short term. Now we're also going to move that Fibonacci to that high point, and you can see there it's actually we're going to keep an eye on that. Now we need to, let's move that low Fibonacci there. Let's bring it back to this low point. So just got to be careful. If it does retrace back to the downside and it breaks below the 61%, that's always a key area to look out for. In that case, we're not going short, but we're just going to be basically holding any long positions, or if you're still holding those positions, we hold on to them for further up movements in the near term. So I'll keep an eye on it. There's no divergence yet to talk of. The CCI is moving in alignment with the price. So at the moment, primarily going long only, in alignment with the weekly and the daily trend on that CCI, as I explained. So to understand how to trade some of the trend trading strategies, but also diversion strategies, subscribe and support us more on the Patreon page. Thanks for watching, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next video.